this is my last and final cloves and rosemary review. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Sharon here. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're watching me as usual, thank you for watching. Kindly like, comment, do all the good stuff. So I think the last video I posted, I did mention that I was going to get twist, which I did. And guys, the final result is here. So I think it's not as straightforward as going ahead to like just do the water and the oil to start using it immediately just for using its sake, because it's good for hair growth and blah blah blah. And to be honest with you, I feel like the only tangible positive that I have taken out of this is that my hair feels slightly thicker than before, but I'm not sure about length. I mean, I feel like the length is not so much. I've been using it for 4 weeks now, so 2 weeks I used it without my twist, and then the other 2 weeks I had twist in just to use it and see what it's going to feel like. So here are a few tips if you want to go ahead and start using the cloves and the rosemary water for yourself. Now, if you want to use it, I feel like you should have a protective hairstyle in before you go ahead and use it. Not use it like directly on your hair when you're styling it day in day out. I feel like that is going to worry you, or I mean that's what happened to me anyway. My hair felt really dry, and because I kept manipulating it over and over again, it was breaking. I could see a lot of hair coming out. So you might want to get some braids in. And I did get a comment in my last video which said to use some moisturizer whilst you use it, and honestly I was moisturizing my normal twice a week, but I still kept seeing my hair feeling dry and breaking as well. But then you could use that option as well, but you might want to moisturize more frequently than your usual twice or 3 times a week, okay, just to keep your hair well moisturized, well hydrated while you use it, because your hair, it feels really dry when you use the cloves water and the oil. And for me, I feel like maybe I shouldn't have gone with a twist, but I should have gone with the option of like re-moisturizing my hair each day just to see the difference. It's all a learning curve, and to be honest, I don't think I'm going to get in mini twists anytime soon. Back to the cloves and the water. So first things first, you might want to get protective hairstyle in before you use it, and then if you are using it, you might want to moisturize more often than you would have if you didn't have to use the cloves and the rosemary water. So these are my 2 tips or takeaways. My hair is also quite light, it's not very thick, so when I see that my hair is falling out like that, it really breaks my heart, and I don't think I can go ahead with this whole experiment again. I'm just going to do what I do best, use my products and just be going, to be honest. But I feel like I have attained some depth in my hair. I'm yet to wash it, so I don't know what's gonna look like after, but right now I feel like my hair, it feels a bit thicker than before, so I guess that's a good thing. But anyway, that's it guys. So use the cloves and the rosemary water at your own risk. Not everything is as rosy, okay, especially online. And what you need to know is that we are all different and we may react to things differently than others. So this is just my experience, okay? You might actually start using it and you wouldn't even suffer any breakage, you wouldn't even get the dryness or brittleness from the water. It's all completely fine. If you use it and you're good, that's fine, just go ahead with it. But for me, I'm definitely not going to do that again. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Peace. See you in the next video.